Clean the phone screen thoroughly. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding on to the mark sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. While removing the top layer, apply the curves and the side panels of the phone. Next, to install the hydrogel over the camera, remove the camera cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers of the camera cut are removed from the sheet. Remove the bottom layer from the removed cut. Paste it over the phone camera. Remove only the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles to the corners. Other remaining bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.